In today's video, I will tell you how to use the DX blueprint in Dark War to unlock powerful upgrades and boost your progression. What is a DX blueprint? The DX blueprint is a special upgrade item used for advanced development, high-tier structures, or exclusive systems, depending on your game progress. The first step is to go to Development menu. First, open your main base and head into the Building or Development section where upgrades are managed. The second step is to select Eligible Upgrade. Look for structures or systems that require a DX blueprint. These are usually high-level or locked upgrades. The third step is to use the blueprint. Tap the upgrade option, then confirm using your DX blueprint along with any required resources. This will unlock or complete the upgrade. The fourth step is to not waste DX blueprints on low-value upgrades. Save them for core buildings, research, or powerful late-game systems as they provide a wide benefit for the late game. The fifth and the final step, and a pro tip, is to always check upcoming requirements so you don't accidentally use your DX blueprint too early on in the game. Doing this can make you miss out on the late game updates or upgrades that require your DX blueprints, but they are already wasted on small time upgrades. And that's how you use the DX blueprint in Dark War. Follow for more Dark War tips and guides.